Can I have a happy stick? Ah, it even came with a shrubbery. We're taking a look at my Polymer 80 handgun. I built this by myself. The frame comes as an unserialized part, and you chop off a couple pieces, mill a couple pieces out, and then you have a Glock 19. This is not a ghost gun, because I did serialize it by myself. It's serialized. See? We're not going to show how to mill it, because then we would have to probably bust out the tetrahedron of family friendliness or whatnot. So this will be our initial test fire on this gun. I'm going to go ahead and get it hot right now. And we're going to try to break the decrepit plate rack. That plate rack has been there for 3 years. Uh-oh. Is that the Glock brand Glockazine? Yeah, it is. Uh-oh. Oh, okay, you're out. That's the Magpul brand Glockazine. So this has a Palmetto State barrel, Brownell slide, excess sights, and a Lone Wolf distributing slide completion kit, as well as frame completion kit. So those are the F8 sights. We did those for raised because it has a threaded barrel in it. You started with a different barrel, right? Yeah, I started with a barrel from Combat Armory. It didn't work. I got a lot of failure to feeds. Like we just got. And I think one of the issues with it is that when you try to build a Glock without one Glock part, the tolerance is kind of stacked because everybody's tolerances are a lot higher than Glocks. So I'm sure that what are you trying to say? I'm sure that their barrel will work a lot better in a Glock, but right now we're using the Palmetto barrel because we're looking for some sloppy machining. There's a fun stick on the ground. There is a fun stick on the ground. Is this a Glock brand fun stick? Probably not. No. Oh well. Is it an SGM? It's made in Korea. Oh, that means that this is not going to work. Are you entirely serial right now? That's what it is. You need a lower tolerance magazine. You made the gun too nice. Shit magazine for a shit build. We'll run them again, but I guarantee you that's what's gonna happen. Is you're gonna run those two next, and they're gonna have issues, and then you're gonna run that piece of trash again, and it's gonna run flawlessly. That's what's gonna happen, folks. Place your bets. Running a Polymer 80 Glock out of the Wilder tactical belt. Glock brand Glockazines, Magpul brand Glockazines, and
so that belt, it's got all kind of crap on it. Okay, so
got a tourniquet pouch.
A tourniquet.
We don't need that.
Yeah.
It's got a
AR mag pouch.
Yeah.
You have to make it the right weight.
Are you fingering my stuff? There we go.
Ooh.
It's got an extreme duty magazine in it now. And
what's the backing of the belt like? Is it like
it's
foamy and like grippy stuff?
It's grippy stuff, and it also has belt keepers on it.
Okay.
That are integrated.
Fight! see it? Are you done yet?
It bet me.
It jumped up and bit me. Thoughts?
It's a Glock without a Glock part. The belt is swell.
Okay.
All right, guys and gals, he's down there doing some pistol drills. We're just gonna break in and do some, provide you some support, if you will. So let's go for a walk. Not supposed to shoot that face, but whatever. And we're out. So just FYI, those ones don't make any noise. So for everybody who thinks that I'm not hitting anything, that kind of target makes no noise.